As a homeowner in Gilbert, Arizona, maintaining your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal is a top priority, especially with the area's hot desert climate and high temperatures. While many home upgrades focus on interiors and aesthetics, your windows play a critical role in keeping your home comfortable and efficient. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can save you money on energy bills, enhance your home's appearance, and increase your overall comfort. But how do you know when the time is right for window replacement? Here are the key signs that indicate it's time to consider replacing the windows in your Gilbert home. Higher than normal energy bills. If you've noticed your energy bills rising, your windows may be part of the problem. Old or inefficient windows can allow cool air to escape during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This is particularly relevant in Gilbert, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year. Newer windows, especially those with energy-efficient features like low-E glass, double or triple panes, and gas fills, provide much better insulation. These features help regulate your home's temperature by reducing the amount of heat that enters in the summer and preventing cool air from leaking out. If you find your utility costs increasing without a clear explanation, investing in new energy-efficient windows could help lower your bills. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Do you notice cold drafts or hot spots near your windows, even when they're closed? If your home feels drafty, it's a sign that your windows are no longer properly sealed. Over time, window frames can warp, and seals can deteriorate, creating gaps where air can leak in or out. In Gilbert, where summers are scorching, this can be a major issue, as poor insulation allows the intense heat to enter your home, making it uncomfortable and causing your air conditioner to work overtime. Replacing your windows with newer, more insulated models can eliminate drafts and help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, ensuring your home stays cool during the hottest months. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation or fogging between the glass panes of double or triple pane windows is a clear indicator that your windows have lost their insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, and are no longer functioning as they should. This often occurs when the seal around the panes fails, allowing moisture to seep in between the glass layers. Not only does this affect your window's insulating ability, but it also impacts visibility. If you notice condensation between the panes, it's time to replace the windows. New windows will restore the insulation your home needs to handle Gilbert's hot summers and ensure that your windows remain clear and functional. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should open and close smoothly. If you're having trouble with operation, whether they're stuck, won't stay open, or are difficult to lock, it could be a sign of several issues. Over time, window frames can warp due to heat, moisture, or age, and moving parts like hinges, springs, or locks can become worn out or damaged. This can be more than just a convenience issue. Properly functioning windows are essential for ventilation, emergency exits, and security. If your windows are difficult to operate or no longer lock securely, replacing them with modern, easy-to-use windows is a wise investment in both safety and comfort. Visible damage or deterioration. Physical signs of damage to your windows are another clear indication that replacement is necessary. Cracked or broken glass, chipped paint, rotting wood frames, or warped materials are all signs of aging and wear. In Gilbert's climate, where high temperatures and intense sunlight can cause damage over time, these issues can lead to more serious problems, such as leaks, drafts, and even structural damage to your home. Damaged windows not only reduce your home's energy efficiency but also detract from its curb appeal. Replacing damaged or deteriorating windows will not only improve your home's performance but also refresh its appearance, giving it a more polished and updated look. Noise pollution. Do you hear a lot of outside noise when your windows are closed? Older windows, especially single-pane models, do little to block sound from the outside, allowing street noise, traffic, and neighbors to be heard inside your home. In a bustling area like Gilbert, this can be a constant annoyance. New windows, particularly those with double or triple panes and insulating gas between the layers, can significantly reduce noise pollution. If you're looking to make your home quieter and more peaceful, replacing your windows can help create a more serene environment. Knowing when to replace the windows in your Gilbert home is essential for maintaining energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics. Rising energy bills, drafts, condensation, difficulty with operation, visible damage, and noise pollution are all signs that it's time to invest in new windows. By choosing modern, energy-efficient windows, you'll not only enhance your home's performance but also increase its value and curb appeal. If you're noticing any of these issues, it may be time to consult a professional window installer and explore your replacement options.